Heard this is the place where fighters go. You know, to start over, get reborn. You know, there's only 3 steps into that ring. Just 3. And tonight it's gonna look as high as a mountain. And when you climb to them ropes, it's gonna be the loneliest place in the world because you're gonna be in there with another fighter who wants to take you out. So now you gotta ask yourself, are you here to prove something to other people or prove something to yourself?
Find me by the water, waiting for the trumpet call. Oh, you see me like a stranger. Well, I've been waiting for the storm, singing, amen, amen, amen.
Shall unlock the change. Adrenaline in the rage, I may never change. Rolling through my heart, dilute my pain. Compressing all the stress, asthma on my chest, running out of breath. They gon' know my name. Get up out the mud, brush the dirt up off me. Going hard, hit them where it hurts, kill them softly. Bone stretch, trying to clear my mind, even smokeless, hopelessness. But I'm in this shit, full-fledged, all reckless. Coming for your neck, no strap though. Running this shit, both legs, bro. Word around town that they coming for my head though. Funny thing about it, they don't know what's in my head though. Schizo, maniac, finna go klepto. So hands on, it's gonna hard for me to let go. My ego in the same boat. With a slow leak, screaming at the world till she prank up. 2 middle fingers to you all till I'm dead and gone.